When you need reliable HVAC contractors in San Diego, turn to the team that delivers honesty, quality, and comfort. Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling. Our licensed experts specialize in air conditioning, heating, and ventilation systems, keeping your home or business comfortable all year long. From new installations and system replacements to repairs and maintenance, we provide top-tier service with clear communication and no surprises. We believe in straight talk, not sales talk, because your trust matters more than anything else. So whether your air conditioner needs repair or it's time to upgrade your heating system, our skilled team is ready to help. Call Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling, your trusted HVAC contractors in San Diego, California. Honest service. Real comfort. Every time. How do I know if I need to hire an HVAC contractor? If your system isn't heating or cooling efficiently, makes strange noises, or needs regular maintenance, it's best to call a licensed HVAC contractor to diagnose and fix the issue. Can your contractors help improve my home's air quality? Yes. We install advanced filtration systems, air purifiers, and humidifiers to improve indoor air quality and reduce allergens in your home. Do your HVAC contractors work on commercial properties? Yes. We provide complete HVAC services for offices, retail stores, and other commercial spaces across San Diego County. Where is Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling located? We are located at 3919 30th Street Suite East 1, San Diego, California 92104. Our phone number is 619-604-9096. Visit our website, www.bestsanDiegoHVAC.com/north-park-AC-installation-repair.